To get back into those lessons that you still need to take, you're just going to start off in your math class. For when you want to do the Unit 1 test, you're just going to click right here where it says 1, Number Properties. You're going to scroll all the way down where it says Unit Test 114. You're going to click on that test. Oops. Click on the assessment. And then you can go ahead and click it to go ahead and get started. So it's saying it's overdue, but that's okay. You still want to do it. When you take that, it's going to give you points for it. So instead of a 0, you'll get whatever it is that you get. And that will raise your grade quickly. When you're ready, oh, hang on one second. Let me get back to the screen. When you're done with that and you're ready to move on to the Unit 2 test, you're just going to click Class Home. It'll bring you back here. You'll click here, 2 equations. It'll take you into Unit 2. Okay, and most of these you haven't done yet either, so you can work through any of these. But again, we want to get as much done as possible kind of quickly. So you're going to come down here to Unit 214 Unit Test, click Assessment, and you're going to go ahead and click this Equations Part 1 to go ahead and take that test. The last thing you're going to need to do right now, before I give you your next steps, is take the interim checkpoint. So you'll come back to the class home again, where it says Interim Checkpoint 1. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to take the interim checkpoints, just kind of like a little checkpoint, just to check and see how you're doing so far. So this is worth a lot of points too, so this is another way to get a lot of those points. So you'll just click Assessment, and then you'll go ahead and get started and complete it and submit it.